بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على المبعوث رحمة للعالمين نبينا وحبيبنا محمد صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم أما بعد. My dear brothers and sisters, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you abundantly for all the support you have been giving us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept what you have done to support our projects. Sadaqah jariyah for you, something that will make you happy when you meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My dear brothers and sisters, another educational foundation has a lot of people who are dependent on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala first and foremost, and then the support they got or they're getting from another educational foundation. The hospital, the school, and many other projects that we do, it was established actually for this purpose, to address the need of the people. And therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, up to date, we have a lot of people that are coming to us which we cannot accommodate their needs, which make us believe that we deserve, inshallah, your priority to put your trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and then on us, bi'idhnillahi azza wa jalla, to handle this responsibility of distributing your zakah and sending it to the right place according to that which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded us to do. So my dear brothers and sisters, I urge you to give us priority with your charity and zakah. Bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we'll be able to reach a lot of those people who have no any other source to give themselves relief other than that which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is granting them through your zakah and your charity. So please, my dear brothers and sisters, give us priority in this regard. Let us reach as much as we can. And don't forget, one person that you put happiness in his heart, a family that you put happiness in their heart, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala promised to also make you happy in this dunya and the akhirah. You make the life of somebody easy, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala promised to make your life easy. Wallahu fi awni al-abdi ma kana al-abdu fi awni akhi. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always in the support of a slave, as long as that slave is in the support of the slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So do this for your own benefit, to put forward something that inshallah you will get when you meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and be happy with it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of your righteous deed and be with you. And please do remember us in your dua. We need your dua for us to be able to put the amana in the right place. Wallah, we need your dua for us to be able to take the amana and put it in the right place. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala love you all and make you happy in both dunya and akhirah. Innahu bi kulli jamilin kafeel. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.